I am Mehak and I am an aspiring actuary. I have recently cleared CB1 and CB2 exams from the IFWIT. I have been with the Academic Junction I think a year now, and it has been very helpful to me in every aspect. First of all, Puneet sir and Silky ma'am, they are very good at their teaching. Basically, they are very good at expressing and making sure that the student understands the concept. And a very important thing when it comes to professional courses is that you know the subject, because there is no limit to the subject, right? So you have to like understand the subject as much as you can, and you have to be it has to be on your fingertip all the time, right? Because you have so many concepts and it is important every aspect of that 70% of the subject more than it is to know the 100% of the subject, right? And Puneet sir and Silky ma'am, they are so good at, the best thing about them is that they always keep you on your toes. Like they will invest some time in explaining you the concept. Like they will give it like 15 to 20 minutes, right? They will give you to explain you the topic, and then they will make sure you understand it. They will make sure you attempt the questions on it. So they're very good at their job. They're very good at what they're doing, and they're so experienced. They have such good insight in the field, and you can ask them every time, and they are so good at guiding you. And more than the teachers, the gurus of actually that as we have at Academic Junction, we also have the team who is very helpful, and throughout the journey they will guide you, be it what jobs to take, what not to take, or be it how to fill the exam form, how to understand the examination handbook. They are there at every step of the way, and they will help you as much as you need, and you have access to them all the time. That has been really helpful and easier for me. One more thing which I have found very good at the Academic Junction is that ma'am and sir, they hold sessions just before the exam, and they will give you those last minute pointers, and they will help you just calm down yourself before the exam also, and they will keep motivating you throughout classes. They will, as I said, they keep you on your toes, right? So they motivate you, and they demotivate you also, but they motivate you while they're demotivating you to understand that you can get better. So this has been my journey at the Academic Junction, and it's a long way to go, right?
Thank you so much, Nak, for your beautiful insights.